All right, we are here today for Phil's birthday to skydive. The first group just took off, and let me see if I can point them out to you. They're that little white dot, and they're gonna land there. Yeah, that's them. Oh shoot! Never mind, I got it wrong. That's a regular plane. Are you nervous? Are you excited?
Not
You?
Find out.
No.
I would say that's probably quieter than the fourth.
What am I?
Are you nervous or excited?
I'm excited. Let's do this.
Yeah.
She's freaking out.
Okay, we're all suited up. I've been stung by a bee, and I have an ice pack, and now I'm less scared to jump because my hand really hurts. I gotta do a whole outfit there. Yay. So, the plane has arrived. Are you nervous?
Terrified.
My hand hurts. How's the bee sting?
You can't see it anymore.
That's good.
Just listen to the instructor.
Listen to the people up there.
Who do you have with you here?
This is my boyfriend Phil.
Awesome. Nice to meet you, Phil.
Yep.
So, you guys are all geared up ready to jump out of an airplane.
Oh yeah.
Why in the world are you doing that?
I don't know.
I don't either.
He wanted to do it for his birthday, and
I said it as a joke, and she's like, "Let's go!"
Oh, that backfired on me. That really backfired. You excited about it?
Absolutely.
How about you?
Yeah.
You guys nervous?
No, I was nervous earlier, but not now.
All right, put those hands out. Let's see. How shaky are you? Put yours out too.
This one just got stung by a bee.
Not bad though. Not bad. I'll check in the plane with both of you. All right. So, a couple more minutes. Our plane is waiting for us right there. Anything you want to say before we go?
Let's do this.
Yeah, let's do
this.
Great. Whose idea was it?
My cousin Phil said let's joke. Girlfriend took it seriously, and now we're here.
Yeah, that's the price you pay when you joke around, right? All right. Hopefully everybody was sober when you guys decided to do that, right? Yeah, you never know, right? All right. So in a couple of minutes, and I hear something special going to happen in the air too.
Oh, yeah.
We don't need to talk about it right now, all right?
Yep.
All right. So in a few minutes, we're going to be walking across the bridge.
Okay.
You ready for that?
Yeah.
All right. Anything to say to anybody?
Nope. Yay?
Yeah.
Great big jump. Big jump. Big jump. Big life jump too.
Yeah, 23 years, right?
23 years today.
Nice. Well, hope everything works out. With our job and everything else, right?
Yup. Oh, it'll work great. I got faith.
I'm glad you decided to come up here and do this with us, man.
I did too.
Yeah, man.
Last minute, I figured it would be great.
Let's knock this out, have some fun with it.
Hell yeah.
Screams, maybe some cries. You never know.
Maybe a little cry.
Yeah, I cry a little bit.
A lot of cry. I'm a big crier. Big crier.
Well, we'll
It's gonna
find
happen.
out, dude. About 10 minutes we'll be jumping on this plane, man.
Awesome.
Get any last
Can't
words
wait.
before we go?
Mandy, I love you. The rest of my forever.
All right.
How you doing?
Good.
You ready for this?
As ready as I'll ever be.
How about you? You ready for
Awesome. I am so ready.
this? All right. You more nervous now or before?
Slightly more nervous.
Let's see those hands again. Not too bad. Yeah. Rock solid. Pretty good. How about you, Mike? Not bad. Better than usual. You're really getting the hang of this.
This is slightly concerning.
All right, sir. Anyone you want to say hi to? Anything you want to say before we go?
If I die, I'm sorry.
Wow. So is he. How about you? Anything you want to say before we go?
I'm having a great time.
Awesome. Give me a high five. All right. I'll see you outside the plane. Green light. Green light.
Hey, Mandy.
Yeah?
Will you marry me?
What? Sure. This is when you decide to ask?
Yeah.
Okay.
You wanted 4,000. I gave you 14.
Got a hand.
Yes, I will marry you.
Mandi, what'd you think of that?
That was awesome.
What'd you think of your little extra surprise there?
I was not expecting it.
I
I can't even remember what I said.
think you said, you're asking me right now? Why don't you go answer him for real?
Right now?
Why don't you give him a real answer? Take those goggles off.
Oh yeah, I guess that's more romantic.
Take those goggles off.
Yes. Only you. Oh.
You wanted 4,000?
You didn't get on one either.
I gave you 14. Everybody knows. This is not a birthday party.
What?
It's an engagement
Are
party.
you serious?
Yep.
Oh my god. Cool.
Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
Give me a high five.